Hey guys, it's Cube of All Aces, and as of today, I'm legally an adult. So, I have not done any solves yet today. So, these are going to be my first solves as an adult. So, yay! Let's do that. Alright. Okay, I'm getting the timer pulled up on my phone because I'm doing that. Alright. Where is my timer? There it is. Okay. Hang on. I do not need a... Do I? No, I definitely don't need stack math for this, guys. Alright, let's do it. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so my first solve as an adult is a 17.9. For reference, I average 11. Alright. Okay. 11:28. Alright. An 11:75. Alright. Okay. I don't see much on this one. $12.74. Okay. Alright. This is probably the last one. Ah! 10.04 for the last solve. So the average was 11.92. Okay. I guess those were my first Rubik's Cube solves as an adult, legally. And that is going to be all for this video. Thank you for watching, keep on cubing, and goodbye.